Hello students! Welcome to our class. How are you today? My name is Miss Lore. In the day today, I will speak of English rhythm. When to talk of English rhythm is talk of fluent, it is important because we have to talk of natural form and not robotically. And the name can say is that of say street. First, I welcome to say on sentences and after in your PC you listen as is the pronunciation of a name with that sentences. Pause the video when you do it, okay? Let's start. Rhythm. Rhythm is the sound of movement in speech which is marked by the stress, timing and quality of syllables, okay? Now we're going to see some examples. Okay. Examples. He is my teacher. Is this the sound robotic? Okay. Repeat with me. He is my teacher. No. The correct form is he's my teacher. Repeat. He's my teacher. He's my teacher. Excellent. Continue. What is he doing? What is he doing? No, it's sound robotic. The natural sound is what's he doing? Is the correct sound. It's nothing. Okay? Repeat. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? Excellent. Continues. Leave me alone. Repeat. Leave me alone. No. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Excellent. Is the correct. It's raining. It's raining. Continues. Other examples. I have to go to school. I have to go to school. No. Is the robotic sound. The sound natural is I have to go to school. I have to go to school. I have to go to school. Excellent. Continues. She wants to play again. 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 Is the correct sound. Okay? Other example. I want a cup of coffee. No, it's robotic sound. The correct sound is I want a cup of coffee. Repeat. I want a cup of coffee. Excellent. Ham and cheese. Ham and cheese. No. The correct sound is ham cheese. Ham cheese. Repeat. Ham cheese. Don't go. Don't go. It's sound robotic. The natural sound is don't go. Don't go. Exercise. Choose the correct pronunciation with me for each sentence, okay? The correct form is I'm not going to do it. No. The correct form is I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Excellent. Please stay there. No. Please stay there. No. Please stay there. Is correct form. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.